close up, please. You guys, double chocolate banana bread. I'm telling you, you gotta watch this video. I promise you that this is one recipe you'll be glad you have in your back pocket for special occasions. I mean, I make banana bread regularly, and it's not that this recipe has any more sugar than the traditional banana bread, but somehow when you add cocoa and a few chocolate chips, it takes it to the next level. I've started preheating my oven, and I'm going to grease a loaf pan. I actually like to line it with parchment paper as well, so I can simply lift it once cooled. In a large bowl, I'm going to mash the ripe bananas with a fork. Add the melted butter and stir until combined. You can also use vegetable oil or coconut oil. I prefer butter because the buttery, rich flavor makes this taste just like cake. Next, I'm adding brown sugar, an egg, and vanilla extract. I'm going to combine these until smooth. In another bowl, I'm going to sift in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and sea salt. All you have to do is add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and combine them until you have a smooth batter. The final step is to add some of the chocolate chips to the batter. This way, when you slice this banana bread, you'll get gooey pieces of chocolate bits in each bite. Let's pour the batter into the prepared pan, and finally, I'm going to sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips on top of the bread. In the oven it goes for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Wow, the kitchen smells like we have cake baking, and it's so easy. This banana bread recipe is unreal. Let's let the banana bread cool down to room temperature for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna run a knife at the ends and use the parchment paper to lift it out carefully. You guys, take a look at this loaf. Wow, rich chocolate banana bread that will simply have you wanting more. But wait, I've gotta show you my favorite way to eat it. I love spreading a little peanut butter on top. This is a total treat for me. You guys, this is unreal. For the recipe, make sure you click on the description box right below this video. You are simply gonna love it. And while you're down there, click that subscribe button. I love to send you a new recipe every single week. And then you go, I need you to like look at me, go. Does that make sense? We need to record the intro before I eat this whole thing. I will sample some more. I will take one for the team.